Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best vacuums for carpets and hardwoods you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many vacuums for carpets and hardwoods and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each vacuums for carpets and hardwoods so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a vacuum for carpets and hardwoods. First, think about suction power, because strong suction helps remove dirt from both thick carpets and smooth hardwood floors. Next, check the brush type. A vacuum with adjustable or switchable brush rolls avoids scratching hardwood while still deep cleaning carpets. Filtration is another factor, especially if you have allergies. HEPA filters can trap fine dust and allergens. Also, consider the vacuum's weight and maneuverability, as a lightweight design makes it easier to move around different floor types. Lastly, look for attachments like crevice tools or soft brushes that enhance cleaning versatility. Balancing all these features ensures you pick a vacuum that performs well on both carpets and hardwoods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful buying guides.